Thank you for buying this 16769 metal suggestion donation tithese and offering box from Fixture Displays. These are the dimensions. It comes with the 4 mounting screws and a header graphic holder and 2 thumb screws for fastening the graphic holder to the display metal unit. The unit is considered small, but definitely does the job beautifully. Comes with lock and 2 keys. There are mounting holes at the bottom as well as the back. Drop slot is on the very top. The only assembly you would need is to put on the graphic holder. There are no tools required here. The 2 screws provided are thumb screws. You can put in your graphics right here. Simply open it up slightly and slide your graphic in. If you have any questions, feel free to email us. Our email address is cs@fixturedisplays.com. I hope you enjoyed this product and video. Do like us, subscribe, remember leave a good seller feedback and product review. You can easily use this on tabletop without any fastening. However, you could fasten to your tabletop if you choose to do so. I invite you to browse fixturedisplays.com for many other business and consumer products we have to offer. If you have a custom size, color, or design, we love the opportunity to make those for you. Again, if you have any questions, feel free to email us. Our email address is cs@fixturedisplays.com. If you need to order additional lock or keys, the links are in the product description field. Thank you once again for shopping Fixture Displays.